Welcome to the new guide. Repair concerns error -1 when updating iPhone 6 in iTunes. At the outset, we want to thank you for over 1,800 subscriptions. Before you start to undress the phone, make sure you have iTunes configured correctly. If you are trying to upload an out-of-date version of the system, the program will show you the error 3194. If several times in a row you get an error of -1, it means that the problem lies in the baseband system. Disassemble the main board of the phone and prepare it for soldering. Apply a flux around the metal cover that lies under the SIM socket. This is where the baseband chip is located and we must have access to it. Cover the elements that may be damaged when using hot air. Set the hot air temperature to 327 degrees. After removing the cover, clean the flux traces. Now apply the flux on the baseband chip. Again using a hot air heating system for about 2 minutes. Now mount the motherboard back to the housing. Connect your phone to iTunes. Everything should go right now.
I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. We can fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
Thank you for your attention. We encourage you to watch other videos on our channel. There are already more than 220. If you want to be up to date, subscribe to our RSS and visit us on Facebook.
Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
See you later.